Ariel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. I used the Dream Street palette finally. I freaking love this palette, and I have been trying to create this look so many times already. I told you guys about the SD card that the universe ate, and it still hasn't found me yet. I filmed it again, I took some pictures, I did post one on Instagram, and I liked how it turned out, but I knew that it could be just a teensy bit better, so I completely scrapped that, and here I am today. I am so in love, and the only colors I didn't use are the cool tone shades. I wanted to make sure that I used most of these colors to show you guys what you can create. I know this is very dramatic, and I swear you guys, I try to go natural sometimes and it just doesn't work out. I always end up looking like this. I think it's really fun when you use color in the inner corner. I think it just revamps the look to a completely other different level. We're in the middle of a nor'easter, so it's a snowy day here. Second day of spring. It's definitely not one of my easiest looks that I ever created, but I do love how it turned out, and I know that you can do it too. I always try to use affordable or drugstore products in my videos, and today they're pretty much all drugstore or affordable, so that's a plus. So if you want to learn how to create this look and learn about all the products that I used, then just keep on watching and I'll show you how.
There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
Wraps up this video. I really do appreciate the time that you take out of the day to watch one of my videos. Thank you so much for being here. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified whenever I do post, because if not, you might not get notified, or you might not see my video pop up when I do post a video. I've been posting every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I'm so excited about it. I have so many videos coming up. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey everyone, my name is Ariel, and today type of